rewriting the story of a boring life with cherished freedom and thrills. The call of the wild is impossible to ignore. For that, you must have a reliable and versatile vehicle that can take you beyond the paved roads. Whether it's scaling remote countryside or forging paths across rugged terrains, an Offroad 4x4 camper van promises a blend of adventure and home comforts. In this video, we'll showcase some of the wildest off-road 4x4 camper vans that are everlasting for snuggling van life, both on and off the beaten path. Let's dive in. The El Do is a modular camper van with a high roof and extended length, perfect for full-time van lifers. This van features a black cloth interior trim and an avalanche gray exterior with a full wrap which insists on turning the heads on the roads. Additionally, it has a 3.5 EcoBoost engine with all-wheel drive that ensures smooth driving in uphills and uneven terrains. The El Do is decked out with customizable and modular features, including a versatile floor design that allows easy movement without inserts. The van also has a scalp backwoods front bumper, a full VDI rack, a Thule awning, and a luminous box with a spare tire on the back. The dual beds can be swapped out to fit your specific needs, making this van well fitted for families or solo travelers. This van can travel from coast to coast, making it a unique and personal addition to any van life enthusiast's collection. The Beachside Custom Vans Ozzie is a luxurious and functional camper van designed for adventure seekers. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 170 wheelbase, this van is equipped with the wildest features to ensure a comfortable and convenient journey. It has 3 AMA windows with 2 big windows on the sliding door and behind the driver, and a small bunk window towards the back. It has a Stage 5 van compass 2-inch striker lift and bigger tires, 31.5 inches. Along with that, it has a Backwoods Adventure Mods Drifter roof rack with a compatible slide ladder. The roof rack is mounted with 400-watt Renogy solar panels and a 50-inch LED Pathfinder light. The van also has an SMB 47-gallon diesel tank, which doubles the fuel capacity of the original factory tank. Apart from that, the interior of the van features a convenient bug wall mosquito screen. It also has swivel seats for both the driver and passenger, and a Webasto diesel heater that is directly connected to the van's diesel tank. The living room area has overhead cabinets on both sides, about 12 feet of storage. And under the bench seats is the water cabinet on one side and the electrical cabinet on the other. In terms of power capacity, the camper van has 3 200-ampere-hour lithium Renogy batteries, a 3,000-watt Victron inverter charger, and a 60-ampere DC charger. Besides that, the kitchen area has a pop-up table, a drop-in sink, extra countertop space, a 17 by 19-inch stainless steel sink, a pull-down faucet, and an Acuva water purification system. The van also has a Dometic 12-volt RTC 110 fridge-freezer combo, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a backsplash with different switches and panels. This van is one of the incredible choices for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient way to enjoy the great outdoors. The Kimberley Kruiswagen is an upgraded Class B motorhome from Kimberley Campers, re-engineering motorhoming for off-road and off-grid adventures. It's available in two models, the Classic and the EcoScape. Some of its noticeable features include automatic steps that double as rock sliders, blind spot assist, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control. Based on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, it boasts an advanced 2-liter bi-turbo engine, factory all-wheel drive, and a 2-inch lift kit. The motorhome's M-Bus system includes a full multimedia touchscreen, phone mapping, navigation, radio, and a reversing camera with a 360-degree view. The interior can accommodate 6 guests, with windows that open fully and have privacy screens and midge mesh. The Power Glide bed is simply accessible, with hidden steps and reading lamps, USB points, and strip lighting. The kitchen features an 1800-watt dual induction cooktop, micro oven, and a class-leading 190-liter 12-volt compressor-driven fridge. The bathroom has 2 showers, hot and cold water, and a composting toilet for the highest convenience. The motorhome storage is intelligently designed, with alloy cabinetry and drawers, 3 spacious overhead storage cabinets, and tie-down points in the main cabin. The air conditioning is a reverse cycle and can even run off the onboard battery pack. Along with that, a 48-volt power hub by EcoFlow and a built-in 3600-watt inverter. It has up to 1200 watts of solar, making it fanciful for off-grid adventures. Our next camper van is also from the Beachside Custom Vans, which is the Oasis camper van. It's built on a Mercedes Sprinter 144 wheelbase all-wheel drive. This van has tons of factory packages like the Comfort Package, Driver Convenience Package, Premium Package, Swivel Seat Package, and 360 Parking Package. It combines Agile's off-road lift kit, Black Rhino 17-inch wheels, and KO2 BF Goodrich tires for an off-road capable ride. The interior is insulated with 3M Thinsulate, and the cabinets and frames are made of walnut plywood. The van features Lonseal luxury marine vinyl flooring, Smartcrete micro-concrete on walls, and 5-foot overhead cabinets. The van has a 360 camera, driver and passenger swivel seats, and a bug wall sliding door for added convenience. The electrical system includes 3 200 ampere-hour 12-volt Victron lithium batteries and a 3,000-watt Victron inverter charger. On top of that, it has a Nations dual alternator with a wake speed controller and a Victron Servo GX and Touch 50. Conversely, the water system includes a 30-gallon freshwater tank and a 28-gallon spare tire gray water tank, along with a 4G Bosch water heater, PEX piping with shark bite fittings. It has a 3-gallon per minute Seaflow pump and a Seaflow accumulator for steady pressure. With its modern and functional design, the Oasis camper van is a great choice for weekend breakouts or full-time van life. Now, let's check out the JaycoTerrain, which is a camper van built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 all-wheel drive van with a 144-inch wheelbase. It boasts a 2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine. Along with that, it has a 9-speed automatic transmission and 250-ampere alternator. The van includes heated, power swivel driver and passenger seats, and a 10.25-inch integrated Mercedes-Benz MBUX infotainment center. In terms of decoration, the exterior features LED-lit running boards and a fold-down exterior table. Alongside this, it has a Renogy lithium system with a 48-volt and 210 ampere-hour smart lithium battery and a 3,500-watt inverter. Essentially, it's prepped for auto engine start with high idle. On top of that, it has a second 48-volt alternator dedicated to the lithium battery, a house battery disconnect switch, and 200-watt roof-mounted solar panels. Preferably, the interior features custom-molded ABS interior wall panels and Technoform European-style cabinetry. The mandatory customer value package includes J-Ride Coney shocks and a Carefree armless patio awning. Additionally, it has a double roof rack and movable roof ladder, front and rear wind deflectors with a front LED light bar. As a bonus, the black aluminum wheels with BF Goodrich All-Terrain A by T KO2 tires and a Starlink satellite internet system. It's a full package camper van for wild adventure. Okay, that was our video on the 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for your wildest adventures. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.